Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Kind Spruce. A moral story: be humble and kind to everyone. A gardener worked in the Queen's garden. He used to water all the plants and take care of them. During summers, the rose bush was in full bloom. The roses were bright red and proud of their beauty. They attracted the Queen's attention and she loved them. Next to the rose bush stood the spruce, dry and weak. The rose bush said to the gardener, "You must cut the spruce. He looks ugly next to my flowers. I don't want anyone to get distracted. After all, I have the most beautiful flowers in the garden." The gardener looked at the rose bush and replied, "Don't be proud of your beauty, rose. You also shed your petals in winter. In those cold, harsh months, the spruce blossoms and covers you and keeps you warm." The rose realized its mistake and apologized to the spruce.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.